We shall focus on the year 2024.
The average salary of 949 players is around 5 million. The median salary is 1.5 million, which is computed from the 476 and 477 ranking in order, taking the average of the two values. The mode is 740,000 and occurs 40 times. The distribution of the salary is skewed to the right since the average salary is greater than the median salary. The range of the salary is $69 million. The recorded minimum salary is less than a million, but the highest salary is $70 million. The standard deviation of the salary of each player is around $7.5 million, and 50% of the population of the players have a salary within the values of $750,000 to $6 million. Thank you.